a beautiful, stylish sanctuary. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep into one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can undertake. Mastering the deck outdoor living space. But what exactly does this mean? A deck outdoor living space is an intentional extension of your indoor home, crafted on a raised or ground-level wooden or composite platform. It bridges the gap between nature and architecture, serving as an open-air room where the comfort of your living room meets the fresh air and freedom of the outdoors. It is not just a place to put a few chairs. It is a fully functional zone designed for relaxation, entertainment, and connection. Investing in a well-designed deck comes with an array of incredible benefits for both your lifestyle and your property value. First and foremost, it significantly expands your usable square footage without the massive cost and disruption of a traditional room addition. It provides a dedicated, versatile venue for hosting summer barbecues, intimate family dinners, or simply enjoying a quiet morning coffee. Beyond the social advantages, spending time on a beautiful deck enhances your mental well-being by encouraging more time outside in the fresh air and sunshine, lowering stress levels. From a financial standpoint, a beautifully executed outdoor deck is one of the highest-yielding investments you can make, drastically increasing your home's curb appeal and overall market value. Decorating your deck to look professional and inviting requires a thoughtful approach to layout, color, and texture. Start by defining distinct functional zones, such as a dining area, a lounging corner, or a cooking space, using weather-resistant outdoor rugs to anchor each section. Layer your textures just as you would indoors by mixing durable textiles, smooth wood grains, woven wicker, and sleek metals. To create a cohesive look, establish a color palette that complements your home's interior, then inject vibrant personality through outdoor cushions, throw blankets, and accent decor. Finally, don't forget the vertical space. Hanging string lights, installing privacy screens, or adding a vertical garden can make your deck feel cozy, enclosed, and incredibly upscale. To truly maximize the comfort and functionality of your deck, you need to equip it with the right high-quality essentials. The foundation of any great deck starts with deep-seated, weather-resistant sectional sofas or conversational sets made from treated timber or premium resin wicker. A source of warmth, such as a concrete fire bowl or a built-in stone fireplace, is crucial for extending your deck's usability into the cooler evening hours and autumn seasons. For protection against the elements, a sturdy cantilever umbrella, a custom pergola, or a retractable awning provides necessary shade during hot sunny days. Complete the space with functional luxuries like an integrated outdoor kitchen grill, smart ambient lighting, and large ceramic planters filled with lush greenery to soften the hard edges of the deck structures. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best deck outdoor living space ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the luxury modern feast and fire deck. This expansive, dark-stained timber deck is the ultimate entertainment hub, seamlessly blending high-end cooking with premium relaxation. It features a sleek, concrete-finished outdoor kitchen with an integrated stainless steel grill, flanked by an imposing, minimalist concrete outdoor fireplace. Across the deck, plush coral-toned lounge chairs rest under a large matching umbrella, while a built-in concrete banquette bench with bright lime and orange cushions surrounds a long wooden dining table, all framed beautifully by lush tropical banana leaves and bamboo. 2. The curved transitional multi-level deck. Embracing fluid, organic geometry, this beautiful multi-level composite deck features a striking curved outer perimeter defined by a crisp white and black railing. A stylish, circular dark wicker sectional sofa contours perfectly to the deck's shape, anchored by a classic striped outdoor rug and a round wooden coffee table. A hanging wicker egg chair sits to the side, offering a cozy reading nook that overlooks the vast open green lawn beyond. 3. The ultimate indoor-outdoor deck great room. This design masterfully erases the boundary between the interior home and the natural world using massive bifold glass doors that open completely to a bright, sun-drenched deck. The outdoor space mirrors the indoor living room's luxury, boasting a stately white brick outdoor fireplace adorned with creeping ivy, comfortable wooden-framed sofas with light gray cushions, and elegant leather footstools that make the transition between inside and outside entirely seamless. 4. The minimalist linear pavilion deck. Perfect for contemporary homes, this covered deck showcases sleek architectural lines with a warm, slatted wooden ceiling featuring integrated flush downlights. A smooth, low-profile concrete accent wall houses a modern glass-enclosed linear gas fireplace that keeps the space warm. The minimalist aesthetic is completed with a matte black circular dining set and matching contemporary lounge chairs, offering a sophisticated space to relax in the evening. 5. The eclectic boho fire bowl deck. This deeply inviting rustic wooden deck focuses on maximizing comfort and texture through an eclectic bohemian style. A large, comfortable L-shaped sectional sofa is piled high with a rich variety of patterned monochrome and tropical teal throw pillows, accented by cozy faux fur throws. In the center sits a large, rustic weathered iron fire bowl loaded with logs, surrounded by potted lavender and rosemary plants that bring natural fragrance and life to the space. 6. The sunken multi-zone entertainment deck. This high-angle view reveals a brilliantly zoned, multi-level rich brown composite deck designed for large gatherings. The upper level features a massive dark wicker sectional with crisp white cushions, while a sunken lower level transitions into a separate lounge area with a sun lounger, accent tables, and built-in planter boxes blooming with vibrant pink flowers. The sleek glass panel railings preserve unobstructed views of the surrounding manicured lawn. 7. The tiered secret English garden deck. Nestled deep within a lush botanical landscape, this natural tone timber deck uses clever tiered geometry and built-in features to blend with nature. Wooden steps lead down into a sunken walkway, bordered by custom white-painted wooden planter boxes bursting with hydrangeas, lavender, and ornamental grasses. A built-in wooden corner bench provides a peaceful resting spot to take in the surrounding cottage-style garden. 8. The clean contrast transitional patio deck. This design showcases a beautiful architectural transition, pairing a sprawling light gray stone patio with an elevated, multi-tiered gray composite deck. The crisp, clean lines of the White House siding and stark black trimmed windows and doors contrast beautifully with the soft grays of the deck. Multiple distinct seating groups, including an outdoor dining table and a separate conversational lounge set, make this backyard incredibly versatile for families. 9. The rustic stone hearth covered deck. Exuding the cozy charm of a mountain lodge, this fully covered deck features soaring vaulted ceilings with exposed timber paneling and a dramatic rustic stone fireplace as the focal point. A large flat-screen TV is mounted above the mantel, facing a generous light gray sectional sofa and a soft, circular jute rug. A heavy iron chandelier and overhead heaters ensure this space remains a luxurious, usable sanctuary all year round. 10. The ultimate poolside alfresco deck lounge. Stepping directly out from wide sliding glass doors, this luxurious modern deck functions as a high-end resort pavilion. It features a long, sleek white-tiled wall with a built-in linear fireplace, facing a pair of contemporary black-framed armchairs and a unique live-edge light stone coffee table. In the background, a fully equipped stainless steel outdoor kitchen with a bar setup sits ready for poolside entertaining beneath a canopy of tropical palms. Creating the perfect deck outdoor living space is all about understanding how you want to live and relax in your backyard. Whether you lean toward a cozy, fire-warmed bohemian retreat or a sleek, minimalist entertainment pavilion, treating your deck as a true extension of your indoor home ensures you will enjoy it for years to come. Focus on durable materials, comfortable layout planning, and personal decor touches to create a sanctuary you never want to leave. If you love checking out these incredible deck transformations and want more home inspiration, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs. Drop a comment below letting us know which of our top 10 ideas was your absolute favorite, or share how you plan to decorate your own deck this season. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly design guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.